Hello, this is Dr. Alexander at All Creatures Animal Clinic, and Jazmyn and I are going to show you how to do a nail trim on a rabbit using our beautiful little s'more here today. One of the most important things is the hold. Rabbits do have the ability to kick their legs out with a lot of force and could even severely injure their back in rare cases. This is not a common occurrence, but it is possible, so we always want to fully support their hind end when we're doing any type of manipulation of their back end. So Jazmyn's going to scoop him up here, and she's going to bring his chest, his back up to her chest. She's got a finger or two between his arms here to separate them, and then she's going to hold his back end. And you wrap a finger around here, so you're actually holding their pelvis into your body. So if he decides to kick out with his back feet, he's not going anywhere, he's not swinging his body around. Once you've got them secured, you can do your nail trim. Now, if you come and take a close look, rabbit nails have the pink part, which is the kwik, where the blood vessel and the nerve ending is. And then there's the white part that goes beyond that. And in rabbits, the kwik doesn't really get very long. So you're gonna always have some nail to clip there unless they've recently been trimmed. And it can get very long. Now, if the nails are dark, you are gonna have to do your best to guess. You can look at other toes to see if you have example toes that will give you a guide. You can kind of just try to copy what's on the other toes. If all the nails are dark, just be a little bit more conservative, but know you can take it, you've got several millimeters of kwik, and then it'll be nail beyond that, so you can take it down quite a lot. When you come up and do the front feet, you just gotta remember they have a little thumb in here, and don't forget about your little thumb. I'm using cat nail trimmers. I think those work the best. And you just take your little hooks off. Just take the hooks off. And you can see also Jazmyn he's being very good. But Jazmyn is also, holding him here, and that way, if he gets a little frisky, having a finger between his head and his foot will be able to prevent me from getting a little nip from an angry bun, which does happen occasionally. If they are struggling too much, just put them down for a minute and reassess. You don't want to struggle too much. And if you have to do a few nails at a time, that is fine as well. Now, he was a great bun, so that was really easy. Go ahead and put him down here. If he is really struggling, first of all, do this on the ground. So if they get away, they're not jumping a far distance. You got away. No big deal. Nobody got hurt. If you have to do it by themselves or they're very, very feisty, a towel is your best friend. You can put them on a table or on the ground down with them, wrap them up, and then kind of push him up against your body so that he's not going anywhere. And then you can bring out just the foot you want to work with, okay? And yes, he says, I don't really love that, but he's okay. And then once you get your one foot out, use your towel to isolate it. And then you can take your trimmers, push out the feet, kind of squeeze on top and bottom, push them out, and then you see your nails and you can do your trim. Similarly, on the front, you do the same thing, but remember, they do have teeth. They can bite you if they're really feeling feisty. Don't usually try to. You can cover the head and just get the one foot out and do your trim that way. That's how you do basic rabbit nail trim. It has to be done every few months in most of your rabbits, so it's a good skill to master. Thanks a lot.